The rain is falling in full swing. The Bangladeshi literature is very rich. In a broader sense, we can say it the Bengali literature. Rain is a big part of the Bengali literature. Really a very lovely day. Today the nature is hectic with its full work, falling in full rain. The nature is repairing itself for its trees, its soil and its environment, its sky and blah blah blah. The sound is rhythmic and pleasant and lovely. This is the sound of a pure rain fall. Look at this sky. What a lovely sky. Really charming. The whole mankind is cool and silent. A vibrating sound, ups and downs, is noticeable in the rainfall and its sound. Like a big musical instrument.